Hey everyone, I'm Sithum. Today we are going to talk about the iPhone 17 series, the best features of iPhone 17 series. Don't skip this video. Let's get into the video. iPhone 17 is rumored to feature a stunning all-glass body with a bezel-less display, giving it a futuristic look that's bound to turn head. Under the hood, expect the latest A18 Bionic chip processing blazing fast speeds and unparalleled efficiency for all of your tasks. The camera department gets a major upgrade with the quad-lens setup, including enhanced low-light performance and AI-powered photography features. iPhone 17 will support 5G ultra-wideband, ensuring lightning-fast internet speeds whenever you go, perfect for streaming, gaming, and more. Your privacy matters. Apple introduced advanced facial recognition technology and enhanced encryption to keep your data safe. That's a wrap on the iPhone 17 features. What are you most excited about? Drop your thought in the comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest stage. Catch you in the next one.